last episode, we sailed from the north to the south in the Yasawa group. Together with Wasa and Morea, we had a very good time. The curry on the beach was one of the evenings in your life that you will never ever forget.
Go out here, around that, and then from the outside to the Blue Lagoon. Well, we're not going fast, but it's out there in the air. Can freshen up a little bit. Busy day.
On Monterey Island, we filled up Wasa again with some extra water.
Just a soul among billions.
Let the first bit go out, because there might be
No
water
place to
in
hide.
the hose.
The world keeps turning around while we're sleeping safe and sound. There's still a long way to go. I think I'm beginning to see the light.
And now let's introduce our next crew member, Elisa. She is a very special woman. She is not only a sailor, but also an extremely good pilot.
Walk with your head in the clouds. Walk with the angels. Keep your feet on the ground. Walk with the dreamers. Walk with your head in the clouds. Walk with the angels. Keep your feet on the ground.
And for the ones who have seen our very old films, you know that we have something in common because Mark and I also flew a couple of years ago. So we have similar interests.
There's Julia again. We put all the waypoints in again from the Fiji app. And we even decided to take this route instead of going straight to Castaway Island. As there is no route, well, he probably went to see these islands as well. Mike is on coral watch. It's not that far.
Keep your feet on the ground.
There's supposed to be some nice snorkeling, but well, with the whole cruise ship in the water, you might as well continue Castaway Island. Strange if you're used to all the really deserted spots in the Lau group. Well, you would be the only sailboat as well, to be honest. Fair is fair. Wilson! We're on our way to the island where Castaway is recorded. Tom Hanks. Ja, ik zag het.
Well, luckily we found the film Castaway Island on Netflix, so we could compare the places that we saw on the island with the real movie, and it's very funny. We had a beautiful hike there.
The world keeps turning around while we're sleeping safe and sound. There's still a long way to go. I think I'm beginning to see the light. Walk with the dreamers. Walk with your head in the clouds. Walk with the angels. Keep your feet on the ground. Walk with the dreamers. Walk with your head in the clouds.
Ja.
Walk with the angels. Keep your feet on the ground.
Ja.
So this is actually where they shoot Castaway, on this beach.
Nee, dat denk ik niet. Well, the path more or less ends here. Oh, we have to climb up here. Not sure about that.
Just before we wanted to leave Castaway Island, Broadsword came in. We actually met them in Aruba and now we see them again. So we had a quick coffee before we left for Mana.
Mamanuca over 3 waypoints and then around Mana and here through a very narrow channel. Looks like there are thunderstorms building up again. And hopefully they stay above the main line today again. You have to go around this reef. We came from over there.
And in this island the path was very well marked with buoys. But even in this light, it was in the middle of the day, it was very difficult to see. I couldn't distinguish the green buoys from the red buoys. Then we were again almost on top of the reef. Luckily it was deep enough there.
Having daylights.
Again, some sleepless hours during the night because of a huge thunderstorm. The anchor of one of the leopards is not holding. Mark was checking the boat and the anchor, and luckily our boat is fine.
The boat there next to Living Daylights was draining last night. It's a really scary sight. Oh, everything works again. We disconnected all the wires to the VHF and the AIS during the thunderstorm last night. Well, one was really close. The original plan for today was to go to the next island group where Musket Cove is as well. Sakura is coming there and they're having a party. Well, even though the sun is not there, you can see the shallow places pretty well. And we know now how to follow the poles. So we see a boat coming out. It gives us some orientation.
It's very strange that even in an area where so many boats are, like Musket Cove, that even there the navionics charts are completely unreliable. But in this case it's the other way around. We anchor, according to the map, completely in the middle of a reef, and in real life it's like 17 meters deep.
It's Angela's birthday today.
And after a coffee on Sea Tramp, we leave the anchorage of Musket Cove and go in the direction of Vuda, where our boat will be hauled out for repairs.
We ended up staying another night, but you guys will probably leave tomorrow.
Say you want to get high, like we all getting higher. Say you'll be in your dreams, like we all feel our dreams.
It's building up again. There, and here. Hopefully it stays there because we're going straight forward. Where is blue sky now?
In the morning light,
It's kind of an angry cloud passing by. We're here in front of Vuda Marina and we're going to be hauled out tomorrow morning at 5:30 a.m.